All right, y'all. I have a very special vetted video for y'all today. None of the hoopla, no editing. We're just going to jump into this. This is sort of breaking news. All right. Representative Ana Paulina Luna, all right, is having a press conference tomorrow at 3 p.m. Eastern time. And many people have speculated about what this is going to be about. Well, we finally know because, see, the implication was that it was UAP related and it was going to be massive, okay? Huge, right? Well, I've got the story, so let's jump into this. First of all, we're going to take a look at this clip from Ana Paulina Luna, and then let's go from there. Stay tuned with me, y'all.
The biggest things that I'm constantly hearing from people, and it's not just me, but I think it's been generations of congressmen, is that there was a lack of transparency in the federal government. And I think when you have that, it's actually dangerous because that's where, conspiracy theories will form. That's where people will then lose, I think, sight and hope for their future, their nation, and then their government. And so in an effort to combat that, I have been pushing, and I'm joined now by my colleagues and have been entrusted by the Speaker of the House, by the Chairman of Oversight, and hopefully the White House to be aiding in transparency for this country. So that's your hint. The biggest things that I'm constantly hearing from people.
Transparency for this country. All right. So let me go to something that just broke. Okay. Literally minutes ago. Okay. About an hour ago. And it's not the whole story, but it's breaking news, okay? This comes from Brent Panikawala. It says, Representative Ana Luna's press conference that will impact the entire nation, quote, will cover UFOs. This comes from congressional staffers for Representative Jared Moskowitz. But stay tuned because I've got even more to the story that just broke. Thank you to the vetters on our Discord server, so shout out to them. But give me just a moment. Let's read this. So, Representative Luna's presser is on UFOs per congressional staffer. Breaking news, Jared Moss staffer confirmed that tomorrow presser is about UAP with Comer and Representative Luna. So, Jared Moskowitz, right? Democrat, Republican, all hanging out, working on this. They clearly cover the UFO topic. But let's get to the news that I have, okay? Again, some vetters uncovered it. Let's take a look. This is exactly what the press conference is about tomorrow. Boom, right here. Okay, they put out a press release, was published today. Says Chairman Comer and Representative Luna to hold press conference on new Oversight Committee Task Force. So they are going to announce a brand new task force, right? It says right here, Washington House Committee on Oversight and Government Reform Chairman James Comer from Kentucky and Representative Ana Paulina Luna from Florida will hold a press conference on Tuesday, February 11th, 2025 at 3 p.m. Eastern to announce the creation of a new Oversight Committee Task Force of national interest. All right, so who? The House Committee on Oversight and Government Reform Chairman James Comer, Representative Ana Paulina Luna. What? Press conference when? Tuesday, February 11th, 3 p.m. Okay, we got that. Where? House Radio TV Gallery, Studio A. And they're allowing media to show up for this. But basically, they're going to be announcing a new task force, right? A new Oversight Committee Task Force. Tasked with what? Sounds like UAP. And many other things. Because you see, Ana Paulina Luna has kind of stated like, oh, this is bigger than aliens. This is more than that. This is, So I think it's going to include a lot of things, right? Is it just going to be about spending, government spending, transparency there, right? She said about transparency. So I think it's going to be about transparency of spending. Something, right? Similar to this. But there you go. There you have it. Tomorrow she will announce a new task force, right? To combat transparency, and UAP has a big problem with transparency. So anyway, y'all, this is just a special video. We'll see you guys on the next one. Links in the description. Go check it out. Every day's a gift. Peace.